This is how we can turn off the green dot on your Android phone. So the green dot essentially indicates that some app is using your camera. For example, if I open up the built-in camera app, right, you're going to see the green dot in the top right portion of the display. It is always going to be there. And as I said, the point of this is to let you know that you are using the camera. It might be obvious when I'm capturing photos like this, but there are so many other apps which can access the camera even without you knowing that, right? So that's why it's important to have the green dot in there. However, if it's still turned on, then you can manage which apps actually access it. So for that, you can go to the settings and find the section where you can control your permissions, right? So you can go to the apps like this and you can scroll through the options and find the app which you know that is accessing the camera. So for example, if you have a social media app during which when you use it, it shows the green dot, for example, Facebook, you can get it there and then tap on the permissions. For me, no permissions are allowed, but it might be allowed to access the camera in your case. So you can choose either to ask the next time or literally don't allow it at all and you don't have to worry about anything. And that's how you can control it for all of the apps to make sure you have peace of mind and know that no camera is actually actively being used without you knowing that. So that's what I wanted to quickly make the video about. Let me know below what you think. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later.